In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix voice chat not working in Fortnite. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you can follow along regardless of whatever you're playing on. But all you want to do is go over to the top right where it has your social icon. And then from here, all you got to do is go over to your settings wheel like so, and then you're going to be brought to your settings. There's going to be a bunch of different tabs, so click on the second tab, which is audio, and then you want to make sure voice chat volume is on 100%. Everything else is basically fine over here. Then go over to the third tab, which is going to be communication. Now this is really important. You want to make sure that voice chat is actually set to everybody and it's not off. And what you can also do is if you only want it to be friends and teammates or friends only, you could go ahead and do that as well. But I'm going to do everybody. And then what you want to go ahead and do is put your voice chat method on open mic, because you might accidentally be on push to talk without realizing, and you might not know your push to talk bind. And then what you want to do is you're going to see voice chat input device and output device. So what you want to do is make sure your voice chat input device is your microphone that you're using. So whatever the name of your microphone is, you want to go ahead and switch it to that. Your voice chat output device should be your speakers or like your headset, anything like that. So make sure that's that as well. And then once you're done with it, press apply on the bottom, and then voice chat should be working properly. And it's as simple as that. If you're on PC, you also want to go to your Windows settings, go to sound settings like so, and then also make sure your output and input on your Windows settings is the exact same as your Fortnite ones as well, so it matches. And then as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.